Okay, it's lined up. This is a Suzuki DF6. I ran this last night, did a bit of video on it, and it ran out of fuel, which is fine because that actually gives me a chance to do another video on a full test on the fuel tank. I mean external fuel tank. Wrong clip. Right, so I'm going to put on the ignition. I'm going to show you. So we were doing this last night. Little bit awkward. Come on, you little monkey. Here we go. Why is it? I don't know why it does this. There we go. Right. Okay, camera's on now. So this fuel tank on here on board is now totally empty. I didn't mean to do it. It was accidental. But yeah, it's totally bone dry. So the idea is to make sure now that I've wired up the new tank that I bought correctly. I know people are going, well, you can't go wrong. Well, you actually can, because the pump, if it's not got any symbols on it saying which way the flow of the fuel is, you can actually put it the wrong way around and you're not going to get fuel. Now, on this one, you can see that it actually does say an arrow saying fuel, so that comes from the fuel tank to the engine. Now the other thing is, well, you've got to make sure these connectors are right, so I had to buy the right one for this vehicle. So I've not tried, because I mean, what I'm trying to prove is that the pump does work, and I've not tested the pump because there was fuel already in this when I started and used this, so it might not, it'll just automatically pump fuel or suck a fuel anyway. So we're going to do a full test. So let me bring you around here, let me show you this. So we're going to pop this off. Okay, and this goes on. This is the one where I had to slightly file it down to fit. This is actually a Suzuki one. You will love that sound. Okay, so now what we're going to do, new tank, you see, brand new tank. That's not supposed to be on there, that's my lock for the garage. So brand new tank. I think it's virtually full. Oh yeah, it's full. Look, you can see that moving. So we're going to prime it. Remember, there's no fuel in this at all. So I presume it is now working well. So all we're going to do is fill the carb up. I think that'll do. Alright. Then we're going to choke it. And then we're going to fire it up. Now, I don't know if I can do this while holding the joystick. So I'm just going to put you down for a sec. Just to make sure this works. Hold on. Oops. Okay. That's my keys. Right, choke out. This way it kicks you back. See, this is where you, oh, I might have to do a little bit of throttle. Choke off. Right, so I know for a fact now that this pump works, it's wired the right way. Pump works, it's wired the right way. So I know now this fuel tank, we'll undo the valves and let some air in. I know now that works perfect. So I haven't got to worry about that at all when we're out at sea. No leaks. Perfect. Just let it warm up for a couple of minutes and then we'll do a gear test. Brand new Suzuki 4-stroke DF6. Is it DF? I can't remember now, is it? I love it. Now, the reason I had one of these before, the reason why I bought another Suzuki is there's a gentleman I know, and he actually tunes, not Suzuki's, but he tunes engines. I'm not saying for who or whatever, and he is an absolute pro. He is so spot on he wins races with his engines. And when I asked him about what would he choose, that's what he said. Go for the Suzuki. He's got one on his boat. He's got I think it's 250 horsepower, and he goes, they are built like you wouldn't believe. And he must know his engines. So there we go. A little bit of throttle. Sounds beautiful, doesn't it? Reverse. Actually, I don't even know if I turned the cap over. I didn't. Weird. I wonder why that worked then, like that. Oh well. Sweet as a nut. There you go, that was all I wanted to do, was test it. I'm not too sure why I didn't switch that over and why it works. I wonder if it's, I don't know, dual purpose, or did I squeeze it hard? I don't know. It filled the carb up anyway, it must have done. There's definitely no fuel in the fuel tank. Probably can't see. Anyway, there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Always make sure that you're, especially going out to sea, you've got everything sorted, the fuel line, the connectors, the pump, all around the right way. Give it a test, because you don't want anything to go wrong when you're out there. Take care. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe button and notification bell over that side. We'll see you in the next one. All the best.